Morning, Steve here in Chicago with the morning grain comments. Well, we're starting out another week with kind of mixed emotions. I think that the corn and wheat market is hopefully trying to find a bottom. In the wheat market, you're hearing more and more talk about lower crops in Europe, and the Europeans are struggling not only to find wheat of good quality, but also feed grains. We're also noting that lower Russian crop down the road could provide some incentive for buyers to come to the U.S. for wheat. So those prices are trying to find a bottom and have traded in corn over the 20-day moving average, and in wheat has traded over all the moving averages. Again, we have a lot of stocks in the world that we have to eat through first before we can call it maybe an uptrend, but at least it's a supportive feature. Soybean market testing the 20-day moving average. Obviously, the negative news is the fact that we still have trade issues. China's not buying U.S. beans. Non-China buyers of Brazil beans look at U.S. as the cheapest origin, but some people think that last week's loadings in beans were on the low side, and we could see this week's soybean exports below the average trade guess, which raises concern about down the road less demand for bean exports and a bigger carryout. As far as weather is concerned, we had some spotty showers across the eastern Midwest over the weekend. The Southwest continues to be hot. The forecast looks to be about the same, with rains coming across the north and into the eastern areas, with temperatures over the next couple weeks maybe normal to above. Too much rain in parts of the northern west corn belt, but overall crop ratings continue to slide a little bit each week, suggesting a bigger debate on whether or not these yields will be trend or whether they'll be above trend. The first report in August will probably be a pretty volatile one, given the fact the funds are short beans, they're short oil, they're short corn, and they're long meal and long a little bit of wheat. So overall, their participation in our market has been reduced, partly because of the trade wars and partly because at least U.S. weather looks mostly normal to date. So we're trying to figure out if there's more fund short covering, if there's more consumer buying, and if there's more spec buying coming in the market, especially in wheat and corn. As always, these are my thoughts and not those of ADM or ADM Investor Services, and have a safe and profitable trading day.